Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like and that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, today we're going to do a product review. That's it, product review. This company, MOMAN, reached out to me about their H2 spin helmet communicators for motorcycles. It's a helmet intercom system. So thank you to them. They sent me two, one for me and one for Mel. And so we're going to be putting it on our, I already did mine, and we're going to put it on Mel's Daytona helmet. And we're going to take a look at it, go through the installation, and as luck would have it, tomorrow we're going on a ride and we'll be wearing our full face helmets, and we're going to test these out. And I will let you know how that works out in the video. So stay tuned. We're going to be digging in and tearing apart a Daytona helmet, putting the comm system in, and testing it out later on. So first, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so here's the box. Ooh, no, I'm teasing. It's a nice package.
That's what she said.
I will say that it's well shrink wrapped in plastic. So the only tool you're going to need for this is a knife to cut open your shrink wrap. Let's get the shrink wrap open. And we're going to do the, not the YouTube unboxing, the actual unboxing together. This slides off to the left or to the right. It's up to you. I'll throw that over there. A box over, well, not really. It's like a cover, a sleeve. There you go. That's what it's called, a sleeve. Words escape me. They give you an instruction booklet that we're going to have to read so we could, these are Bluetooth. They're not an open mesh, they're Bluetooth. Let's get that out of the way right now. These are Bluetooth communicators. So we're going to have to figure out how to turn it on, intercom it, and get things going so we can hopefully communicate tomorrow on our ride. That'll be fun. Here's the communicator piece. Kind of cool. Kind of reminds me of the Cenas. Not Cardo. Cena, and also the Daytona helmet ones. But these are retailed at $49.99. That's right, you heard that right. Just under $50 these sell for. So we're going to find out what $50 gets you for these. Now, I'm not a paid spokesman for them. They did give these to me for free to do this video for you. They're going to be launching this product. They're doing a big campaign here soon. So keep an eye out for that. But right now on Amazon, I'll link that down in the description. They are $49.95. So all the parts are in a baggie. And there's multiple ways you could mount this with the 3M tape on the side of your helmet, with the clip. I like using the clip because if I want to change it, I could. They give you the USB to USB-C charging cable, which is nice. They give you a second mic that you could mount inside your helmet, but we have the modulars, so we're going to keep the boom mic. So what I'm going to do is unravel all this because, you know, shipping and handling and packaging, they get a little tangled. And every one I've received and used or paid for, they were all tangled and twisted. No big deal. So we got the boom mic, we got our left and right speakers, and then the plug that communicates into the side of the helmet. So let's show you how to disassemble. Johnny 5 doesn't like that, but if you guys know who Johnny 5 is, no disassemble Johnny 5. All right, Daytona helmet. We're going to take the modular. We're going to pick up the chin, put something soft down to protect your helmet. I wish I had a helmet donut, but we're going to unplug the old unit that we're no longer using. Not going to say the name, but they were a disappointment. They work great if you're walking around with your helmet on, but as soon as you got rolling on the bike about 2-3 miles an hour, my wife and I couldn't hear each other. It's you sitting directly behind me. No good. So we're going to open up this side. It's Velcro, and there's a snap right here. We're going to unsnap it. Come on, unsnap. Thank you. There it is. And then there's another one back here. This is all on the left side of your helmet. So we're going to unvelcro the boom. They give you the Velcro with this new helmet, with the new comm unit, but this Velcro is here from the previous comm unit we had that was a huge disappointment. We'll pull out the speaker. Come on, speaker. We're going to save this little foam spacer and put that right back in. It all Velcros in.
Huh, this comes preloaded for it. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, all the helmets
that.
are arranged so that the helmets have the cutaways for the speakers, so you know exactly where to put them.
That's awesome.
Which is nice because our previous modular helmets, which were from Harley Davidson, did not have that.
No, and if you didn't put it in right, you felt it poking into your head, and that hurt.
Yep, so same thing on the right side of your helmet. Got that one snap. We're going to unsnap that
For the other.
for the other side. And inside of here, there's the speaker that's Velcroed in with that little pad. Again, saving that pad. We'll put it right there. And then you just work this out underneath the top part of your padding. She's doing the best, guys.
Sorry, I'm trying to get it. It's hard to. It's a small, confined spot.
Yes.
So it doesn't always make the easiest for pictures. Sorry.
Nope. All righty. All right. So now we got more.
More gobbledygook
Yep.
and spaghetti.
Paschettis.
Spaghetti,
right.
but not the fun.
So I did reach out to this company about the problem, and they said, "Oh yeah, it's an issue with the microphone. We're going to send you out a microphone."
Never got a microphone, did we?
That was in July, and it's September. So those are going in the garbage. I don't care if they send me the microphone or not. Not going to do it again.
It's kind of a moot point at this stage.
Yep. So you're going to take your speakers,
Ta-da.
and you're going to take the right side, and you're going to put that in that spot where that Velcro spacer is, rotating the wire that goes in a notch right here. It's already, like I said, these have already been built and designed to accept a communication piece.
I think that's a really cool feature.
It is a really cool feature.
I like that Daytona Helmets does it. I don't know if other ones do, but that's pretty cool.
We're not going to snap this into place yet because we have a lot more to do. So I'm going to take the other part and I'm going to feed that through the helmet under all the top padding. Oh, swing this around, get it under here. Don't yank on the wires, guys, because you could break them, damage them. So take your time, do a nice job like I always say, you know. Okay, we're hung up right there, got it. Put that on the inside. Okay, got some more slack.
Yay.
There's plenty of slack to get these inside of your helmet.
Which is a plus.
Yep. So on the inside here, there's that little cutaway for the wire. We're going to try and line that up to the best way you can. Press that in place. Now this is the right side of your helmet. Yes, right side.
Right side of your helmet.
We're going to snap it all back together. Or at least attempt to. Come on. You can do it. Unvelcro that. Get the snap it lined up. There you go. And make sure that your chin strap is out. So that's the right side of the helmet. Now we're going to go back, finish up on the left side. Our boom mic
Boom.
From previous, we have the Velcro to mount this to. And we're going to just, it's already got the Velcro on it. We're going to put it there, and it goes between the snap and the chin strap.
Oops.
That's okay. Let it go, honey. I got it.
All right.
Thank you. She's such a great help.
Sure.
Mel is awesome. So you just tuck all that wiring in there, and we're going to snap the front of this side. Let's bring this under the chin strap. I think that'll be better.
However you did yours is probably fine.
Yep. So now we're going to take our snap,
Snap it down.
line it up, and not like a tool, we're going to snap it in. All right. So now what's left, well, we're going to tuck this label in so it's not scratching your head.
Yeah, I think.
And we're going to pull on the excess, because on this side, that's where we're going to mount
Clip, it fell on the floor. Got it.
our clip.
Is that the right clip?
Yep. The comm unit, not using the double-sided tape, will slide in.
Somehow.
No, just like that. You just have to move this part out just a little bit. Just slide it in.
Aha.
It'll clip on. And with the side that goes against your helmet, there's some nice rubber padding, so that does not scratch or rub against your helmet and make it weak, which is a nice thing. Also, with these, you have an option. They give you all the extra Velcro you would need, but you have the silver, you have a blue,
I'll do the blue.
and then you have a gold.
I'll do the blue.
You're going to do the blue. Mel wants to do the blue.
Why not?
And these just snap in like a snap together model. So you just get your fingernail underneath it, pop it off, take the desired color you want, and snaps right on. Now to get all the wiring straight, what I like to do is plug it in.
If it wants to cooperate.
It'll cooperate. Plug it in. And then between your padding and your helmet, that's where you're going to slide this. But you don't want it to interfere. Like here, she's got the slide for the drop-down visor. So there's that. So now we have this extra wire. I'm just going to take that and tuck it up on the inside. Just like that. And now we're going to snap the second snap in. So now the wire is nice, not tight, but nice and hidden to the best we can.
Yeah.
I don't want to pull this out and put the wire inside of there. To me, it makes sense. So now we got the boom mic. She could put it wherever she wants, in front of her mouth, just off to the side. Close her helmet, and away you go. So next is a riding test. But first, I'm going to make sure we charge these tonight, so tomorrow we'll have a full charge, and we'll see how long these batteries last. It's about an hour and a half, 2-hour ride where we're going, depending on traffic. And then an hour and a half, 2-hour ride coming back. So it'll be anywhere from 3 to 4 hours of battery life. Hopefully, these will last that long. We'll find out. We'll let you know. And the next segment of this for you guys will be like that. And for us, it's going to be at least 12 hours. All right, guys, so we tested out those MOMAN headsets on the way down. I can tell you they work a lot better than the previous brand that we had. I could actually hear my wife and she could hear me. So for $49.95, they work phenomenal. However, the words get a little jumbled up here and there, but they still work, and they still work better than the previous brand we had that I couldn't even hear my wife at all. She couldn't hear me once we were on the road. But with this headset, we were able to come down here into Brooklyn, New York, and we heard each other the whole time down, which was amazing. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Hey, until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride often, as always, ride hard.